All right, guys, we got a 2020 EcoBoost Ford F-150. Look at that sexy gold rims. I like the American gold flag right there. That's awesome. He's a firefighter, guys. We really appreciate his service. Always take care of your servicemen and members of the armed forces and all that good stuff. Let me show you what we got done on it. So, got factory converter up here, factory converter up here. Then it wires into a single there. We always keep this resonator on the EcoBoost, or it will drone like crazy. So always keep that unless you want it really loud. And if you do want it really loud, then go true dual, okay? So where you cut it right here and you true dual it from there all the way back. Anyways, there's a resonator. Then we put this fat made in the USA GIBSON muffler, part number. Here we go, BM0106. There'll be a link in the description for it, right there. Then 3-inch pipe out the back into a beautiful Natami resonated tip, right there. Our boys at Natami never disappoint. They give it a nice clean sound, as you guys can see right there. So finishes it off really nicely, and it's resonated on the inside, so it takes that barble away, the crazy sound. It's a sexy truck, look at it. Nice and raised and everything. So stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Here we go, guys. EcoBoost. Ford F-150 with a GIBSON. What do you think? Clean. Not too loud, just perfect, right? Got kids, man, they didn't want it too loud. And this thing breaks in about 30 days, get a little bit louder, 10% more. Here it is up close, guys. Yeah, it gives it a nice deep tone. Here's sound decibels on it. Right at 85. Rev it higher. Again. About 88. All right, go ahead and back it up. Run with this first.
Say at least 30 days, right?
Yeah, run it for 30 days.
I like that though.
It's clean. Now it sounds like a truck. You know, come listen on this side. See, it's clean. It doesn't have that V6 sound. It's deep.
No, that sounds good.
Yeah, it's clean. It's good for somebody with, yeah, that tip looks really good on it. It fits it.
So it'll get just a little bit louder?
Yeah.
I'll probably keep it like this.
Yeah.
To the motherfucker.
Exactly. Yeah, especially if he's like on noise and shit. Yeah. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Here we go. Enjoy, guys.